I'm Pete Hernandez. I live in Wilson County. What inspired me to come and take pictures at the San Antonio River? It's like taking pictures of my family and showing it off on social media and Facebook. You know, we all do that. Being in the contest is like shooting pictures and posting it on Facebook. And it doesn't need a big camera. You could shoot it off your smartphone. So it's not necessary that you have the big equipment. What is joy to me is going out there and being in nature, relaxing, taking time from the busy hustle and bustle of city life in an urban area to be in nature right away. That's one of my inspiring. I want to share that with other people, that it's here in San Antonio, along the river and all the way down to the coast. San Antonio River is a great place to come and take pictures.